Chachalonkut, kuna kijana ananisumbua sana, mke wangu rahana, nyumbani amani hakuna. Asizani mimi ni mkimya sana, wasiye naumia roho yangu, nisije baadaye mikupata lawama, nikaribu sifi yangu. Mwambie.
Hello guys, I just want you guys to watch me do the unboxing video from Goldie Beauty on AliExpress. Goldie Beauty on AliExpress. And see, yellow. A lot of extensions. What I will do is just to show you guys one. Oh my gosh, this expression, very good quality, very nice. I like the quality of the expression is very good. Yeah, this expression will be good for bows, braids, and the cornrows. You know there are some expression, if you buy them in AliExpress, they will be too silky, but this one is not silky. It's very nice. It will be good with cornrows and the boss braids. This one is like if we blow dry our ori hair. This expression is very good. I like the quality. This one is their color 118. I'm really impressed of the quality. Very good for cornrows. Really very. If you order this expression, you will never regret. This one is their color 30. This one is their color 33. This one is their color 1B.
In the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
This one is their color 60.
Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.
This one is their color 53. 3 colors.
Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
This one is their deep wave heat resistance coily hair bundles, and I would advise you to go for 2 packs, like mini 8 in 1. It will be something 16 if you want something very full, but if you want something easy, not too much hair, 1 bundle will be enough. A lot of you guys ask after this hair. Oh my gosh, so nice. Oh yo, you can see how many inside. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Look, this one is their 8 in 1. This hair will be very good with sewing, and you will do the crochet method. Very pretty. Came in 2 10 inches, 2 8 inches, two 12 inches and two 14 inches. Very, very pretty. This one is their soft dread, color 1B. And also color T purple.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be.
This one is their curly bun. If you pack your natural hair or your relaxed hair, you just use this bun to pack it up. It will be very pretty, and you can also go for two and you just use it to do two bun. And they're very, very pretty. You want the bun to look more natural, we just use comb to comb it. And I will be making a tutorial video later on using the bun to style my natural hair. And this very one is also very pretty, and this one look like more afro to our own texture. And then you can go for natural color, and then the color I'm showing you guys, and I think is color 4, which is also very pretty.
Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's.
This one is their kinky straight hair, heat resistance. You can flat this wig with just low temperature.
Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
And I will not be styling the wig. I will just put on the wig so that you guys will see the fullness. Very, very pretty. And for me, I would love to cut the wig a little bit so that it will be shorter because it's too long. I think it's 24 inches. Don't forget that all the hair extensions I showed in this video are from Goldie Beauty Hair on AliExpress. And I will put all the details in the description box below. And all the hair are very, very cheap and affordable. If you want me to be doing more unboxing videos showing you guys cheap hair to order from, give a huge thumbs up to this video, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.